Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I just got back from the Galaxy Unpacked event for the S24 Ultra. Here's my device, just did the unboxing, and I'm running through a ton of videos that I have to do. I'm in my hotel room, which it's pretty nice outside, so I do want to take some photos. And I have a very interesting photo comparison for you guys to check out, so stay tuned for that on the channel this week. But the first thing I want to do is a speaker test. Now, Samsung didn't give us any new details on what the speakers will be like, but we normally test the speakers on smartphones. And last year, the S23 Ultra didn't do as much as I liked. So I want to see if the S24 Ultra actually does better. And in this video, we'll be comparing it against the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the OnePlus Open, the brand new ROG Phone 8 Pro, as well as the S23 Ultra to see how well it stacks up in terms of just audio quality, dB reading, as well as also just generally which one we like. Now, something you notice is the different bottom speaker grills for the S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. At the very bottom here, this is the S23 Ultra. You can see it's got a speaker grill that is more traditional. We've seen this over the years, while the S24 Ultra basically has a slit, just one long slit. That's pretty much it. So that might give us a difference in sound. So let's go ahead and start it off and see how they all sound. Okay, that was truly impressive. I think they all sounded good. They had varying degrees of quality to them, if you will. But let's start off with just dBs. Which one actually had the loudest sounding speaker? And that goes resoundingly to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The max dB readings we got for the song we played was 118 dBs, which is pretty high. So that's actually pretty cool to see. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra came in second with 102.2 dBs. So that was a huge improvement from what we got last year. And falling in the third position is the Galaxy S23 Ultra at 102 dBs. Then in this race here, we do have kind of like a close tie between, of course, the OnePlus Open and the ROG Phone 8 Pro. Now, you're wondering, okay, so iPhone wins in terms of loudness, but which one actually sounded the best? Now, I think this is where I'm gonna have to get a little granular with just the audio and sound. I think the fullest sound overall was actually the OnePlus Open because of the quad speaker setup. Even though it was not as loud, we had a lot of fullness to the speakers. I did like the sound of the Galaxy S24 Ultra over the Galaxy S23, and I think the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are close together. But honestly, it's a really tight race. I think the best speaker for me is actually a tie between the S24 Ultra and the 15 Pro Max. While I did like the ROG Phone 8 Pro, I think missing that extra front firing speaker or bottom front firing speaker is a bit of a downgrade from what we got last year. But overall, it's been very interesting. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Who do you think actually won the speaker test? Do you think the S24 Ultra is much better now? Or do you think the iPhone 15 Pro Max, because it's the loudest, is the best? Leave your thoughts down below. There is a plane flying ahead so you guys can see. And always enjoy your entertainment.